Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'll show you how to put two videos on one screen using CapCut. Let's dive right in. First, open up the CapCut app on your phone. And once you're on CapCut, start a new project by tapping on the New Project button. Select the first video you want to use and tap Add. Okay, so once you have imported the video into the timeline, select the video. And now what you have to do is to simply drag it up and make sure that it must be fits half of your first video. To add the second video, tap on the overlay option at the bottom of the screen. And now simply tap on Add Overlay and select the second video from your gallery. Now you will need to adjust the size and position of both videos. Select the overlay video and drag the corners to resize it. Move it around to place it where you want on the screen. You can also resize and reposition the main video. Finally, preview your video to make sure everything looks perfect. And that's it. Now you know how to put two videos on one screen using CapCut. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.